Thank you. Don't look at my weeds. Really bit. And I hate that for me.
Say you wanna stand.
Oh! Did you push him? My world is so clear now. Hi, welcome back to the weekly vlog. It is Saturday, we've just done our groceries and we've just found this new fresh food place that does things so much cheaper than Aldi, Woolies and everything. So let me show you what I got for $19. A massive red onion, a whole bag of bananas, a pineapple without the little stem frilly bit, 2 punnets of strawberries and a kilo of tomatoes, all for $19. Blows my mind, honestly. We also got Cosmo a new collar because we reckon that we've dropped his collar and Ziggy has snatched it, taken it out to the backyard and buried it somewhere, or it's just in the grass and we can't find it. So we got him a new collar and his little tag is the Australia flag. How cute. It's Monday. I feel like today is going to be a great day. Firstly, all the sounds going on in my house right now are the dishwasher, the washing machine, everything is just cleaning in the background. But I have some sad news. I think today might be the last day I get to wear something warm. I think spring is finally here and then summer is just gonna be brutal. I'm gonna try and not talk about the weather too much this summer because last summer it was like every second of every day I was just like sweating and I could not think about anything else other than how hot it was. I reckon this is the last day I can wear something warm because I am sweating in this. Like I wanted to just savor the last parts of winter. Everyone here has said what an awful winter it's been and it's just been so cold and windy and wet, but I've low-key loved it. I've really loved it and I'm gonna miss it because I'm not a summer person. I don't want it to come. Anyway, that's my sad news. I'm no longer gonna be needing warm clothes. I'm just about to head to work for the day, but I want to tell you about my new song. It's called History of Man by Maisie Peters. Oh, love it. I love it so much. And the part at the end where she's like, I saved you a seat, but you say you want to stand or something. Oh, just the way she says that, it does something. It's just a little scratch in my brain and it just sounds so good to me.
Tale as old as honey, it's the history of man. Give you a seat and then you say you want to stand so you lose me.
Oh, so good. It's been on repeat ever since I found it a couple days ago. And I just thought I'd share it with you because I love it.
Stand, she loves him more than anyone ever has in the history. Rewrite it, but I can't, it's the history.
I've just finished my shift at work and let me show you the cutest thing. There are bugs flying around my house. One of my work girls brought me an apple slice that she made. I'm so lucky. I've already eaten a little bit of it, but look, Look how amazing that looks. Is that not just, like, she gave me 2 massive slices. Like, I'm so lucky. Yum. I'm gonna have to save some for Rowan when he gets home because he's gonna love it. But equally, I also want to eat it all now, so there's no trace, no evidence, you know? If you're watching this, thanks, Michelle. So good.
Hello.
Hello. Back again. Yeah. Can't say anything, but I don't want anyone else to see it. Thanks, Carly. Thank you. Thanks, Carly. Busy day?
Yeah, it's going to get busy.
Yeah.
This mama's out today.
Yeah.
And it's my lovely girl over here going to make me 2 gorgeous coffees.
Of course I am.
Charlie, coffee beer.
I'll start paying your wage. Thank you. Hello. Happy Wednesday? Is it Wednesday today? I just picked up a few little things from Aldi. Our potatoes are going moldy really quickly lately, so got another thing of those. Some wagon wheels, and I have prescription glasses now. I'm officially old. I'll do a little try on for you because I think these are so cute. Well, at least I thought they were cute when I tried them on. Now that they're in my house, maybe not as cute, but we'll see. And I've also got 12 litres of weed killer stuff, which I'm not going to bring inside because that's a waste because I'm just going to take it back outside. But it is ridiculous in my yard at the moment. The weeds are everywhere. Like, I'd say we have quite a big garden for the area that we're in. I've never had to take care of this much garden space before. It's a lot of work. So we got like 12 litres of weed killer to just put over the whole yard. Like, we've tried natural remedies for it. It just does not work for this volume of weeds. Like, the weeds are literally as tall as me. Like, they are big. So we just got to kill them all. Like, the end of winter here is my perfect summer temperature, which, I mean, I'm terrified for summer. Absolutely terrified. Okay, let's try these glasses on. Oh my gosh, these are like everyday glasses. Like, if I want to see, like, I didn't even realize my vision was so bad until I went and got my eyes tested. I'm like, oh, that's really clear, and my normal eyes are not clear. Oh, my world is just... Oh my god, my world is so clear now. If you can hear flies in the background, it's because it's hot and there's flies just everywhere. No, why are these kind of cute? Am I a glasses girl now? That's crazy! Okay, so these are my regular glasses. And I also got a pair of sunnies. If you've been watching for a while, you've probably realized that the sunnies I have now, they don't really suit my face very well. Whereas I feel like these ones suit my face, maybe. Oh my gosh, I can't see you in the viewfinder. Oh, because it's got like polarizing lenses. I think I love them. So yeah, I am officially a glasses girl now. Who would have thought? Not me. I've just got some nuggets in the oven, but do these suit me? I feel like I like the way they look in the mirror. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think he just jumped up on this chair all by himself. Oh, he's such a little bean. I love him. I feel like I like the way these look in the mirror, and I love the way they look at Specsavers, but in the camera, I feel like they look awful. I was literally about to come on here and be like, oh my god, with my hair out, like I love the way I look in glasses. But I feel like I look so different in the viewfinder than I do in the mirror, and I don't know how I feel about them. I reckon glasses is like getting used to like having a new hairstyle or a new hair color. Like you've just got to sit on it for a bit. I don't know.
Did rent the rest of the yard. You can see.
Hello, it is Thursday. I have felt myself just lazing around this week. Like if I don't have work or I don't have anything that I'm actually doing, I just spend hours and hours and hours scrolling, and I hate that for me. And so I've made a little list of like things that I just like to do, and I have started designing again. It used to be my job, and then I didn't really get enough clients, so I went and got an in-person job, and I kind of just fell out of designing things because I wasn't making money from it. For some reason I feel like all of my hobbies need to be monetizable, because how else are you gonna make money if your hobbies don't eventually become your job? I don't know. I've just got like a weird mentality around hobbies. Like if it's not something that you're creating with the intent to make money, why create it? I don't know. That's definitely something that I need to work on. I am working on something new and I'm having so much fun with it. So I basically love the idea of having a small business. Like I'm always thinking of business ideas, going through business plans, like going through the whole process, seeing if it would work in my situation, in this location, so many different factors, and so many have come up just not working. Okay, I'm obviously not a very good storyteller. I can't seem to form a sentence today, but I created a TikTok account when I dyed my hair from blonde to brown, because I'm like, oh, a cute little transition, that'd be cute. And I've only posted like 3 videos. And so I'm like, oh, you know, I'll go on TikTok, see if there's any like inspiration for small businesses and things like that. And I found this girl called Mickey Beads, and she does TikTok lives all the time. And the way that her setup is, she just brings like such a fun vibe, and that's kind of like inspired me to get back into designing and actually setting up a business. And I would just love to be a part of that again. Like I had my little small business, I ran it for a while, and then we went traveling. I pretty much sold out of all of my books on my Etsy, but if you did want to grab one, the link is in my description as always. I've got a couple of digital things on there. The wavy wedding invitation up on my Etsy is quite popular. I've got like 5 digital products and 2 physical ones. Like I really would like to make my Etsy more cohesive, because at the moment it's all over the place. It's in shambles. It does not look very good at all. Like that's literally what my store looks like right now. It's giving like some Christmas vibes. It's like the wedding one's kind of cute. The stickers, the photo just isn't good. The lighting's bad. Like it just doesn't look good. And I want to fix that. Cutest little gift tag at the moment. It's a little sausage dog. I forgot how much I love designing. These past couple days I have been in a bit of a funk, but I feel like today is going to be such a good day. I'm starting off by making some pancakes. We've only got kiwi fruit. So we're going to have some kiwi fruit pancakes. We'll probably get some strawberries tomorrow when we go shopping. But I have a feeling that today is going to be a good day. It's going to be a good day. Go on, have what you have. That's not. honestly feel like yesterday I just got the best news ever, and now I have like a new lease on life or something. I don't know. You know when you've just been stressing about something for so long and then all of a sudden it doesn't matter? I just love that feeling. And today I have that feeling. Rowan also bought me these beautiful flowers yesterday. I'm so lucky. I love them so much. I've just made an elite Disney playlist on Spotify. It's just put me in the best mood ever. It's got High School Musical, it's got Hannah Montana, it's got Camp Rock, it's got Hilary Duff. This song, I only just found out that Taylor Swift wrote it, and this has probably been one of my favorite Hannah Montana songs of all time. And just to know that Miss Taylor wrote this song, it just fills my heart with so much happiness. You can change your hair, you can change your clothes. Sorry, Zig. Why does he hate me? Wherever you go now, you can change your clothes. He's fixated on some bird outside. Also, can we look at how big my like granny square blanket is getting? This is the biggest thing I've ever crocheted. And I'm so happy about it. I'm just gonna keep going until this ball of yarn runs out. I never trust the dog to watch my food. If you wanna know, here we go. Hello! Introducing me. Oh! Cosmo, did you push him? Did you push him? Zig, you okay? Oh! That's not good. Did you roll off or did he push you? You're okay. I am in such a good mood today, so I'm putting it to good use and I'm just cleaning up my entire laptop. My hard drive is a mess. My desktop is a mess. Everything is just so unorganized, and every time I open my laptop I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to figure this out. Like having an online presence and just having all of these digital files like scattered everywhere, it really just makes me feel so unorganized. I don't know. So I'm doing that today. I've been sitting here for a couple of hours already, but yeah, this is where I am today. I'm not really gonna bother getting ready or doing my hair or anything today because it's honestly just a cozy day at home, really. But we bought a dog kennel a little while ago and we were planning to paint it white and just make like a really nice cute space for the dogs to hang out outside because they don't really have a bed out here, and I thought I would do that today. Although it's sitting right here and every time I lift it up, heaps of mozzies come out of it for some reason, and I don't want that to be right there like near where we walk in, you know? So I'm gonna put it, oh, I don't know if you can see, but there are so many weeds. Don't look at my weeds. We're gonna put it somewhere out here and I'm just gonna let it air out so there's no mozzies in it. Just had the best day today. I've listened to music from my childhood that I absolutely love. I've just done all of the things that I wanted to do today, and I highly recommend you do the same. If you're in any sort of slump, just go back to what you used to love doing, and it just, I don't know, it just makes your day so much better. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this weekly vlog, and I'll see you next week. Bye!